3 of Drift Week 4. We are at Musselman Honda Circuit in Tucson, Arizona. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Bay. This is behradsays, and I'm here with my team, Drift Team Anti-Heroes. We're doing Drift Week 4. So if you have not watched the last video, go back and watch that video. And there's actually one other video before that. So if you haven't watched either of them, you're 2 videos behind. What the heck are you doing? Go watch both, come back, and then I'll catch you guys up to speed. Doing some ride-alongs tonight. I got Richie here. He is actually one of the subscribers to the channel, which is pretty dang awesome to be in Arizona and have someone who watches the channel. So everyone say hi to Richie in the comments. I'm gonna go drive right now with Van. The car was getting really hot. I took the hood off and it was still getting hot. Hey! Thank you. And it was still getting hot, and then I realized that my overflow tank had flown off on one of the laps. So I just put a water bottle and added more fluid, burped it, and we're going back out. So see how it does this time. Good save, dude. I think I just hucked too hard with kind of dead tires.
You gonna be coming in soon, or should I come out? I only got like 1 or 2 left, and I'm gonna be coming in. Ain't no problem.
Goddamn right, boy.
got some explaining to do, bud.
Sorry, Behrad. Oh, hey. Hey, bud.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, good thing you didn't let me use the 3-piece wheels like you were saying.
Every time I let this guy borrow anything, he destroys it.
I want to say he talked that one into existence, though. He kept saying I was going to break his wheels, and...
Every wheel you put on your car, you break.
God damn.
Every wheel.
They're dropping.
All right, guys, day 2, Musselman Honda Circuit. We're here, we're late because we got the last video uploaded. If you haven't watched it, go watch the last video. Don worked his ass off all night for it. I'm doing an oil change, I'm doing a toe check on the alignment, and I had some loose bolts that I took care of, and then we're gonna go drive, so see you out there.
Look at my fucking boy! Look at my boy!
Alright guys, we are about to go over to the Drift HQ tent where Cricket is hopefully fixing the wheel that Derek just broke. My wheel. I'm not super worried about it, they're just rep wheels, but if Cricket can fix it here at the track, that'd be dope. So let's go take a look.
So if he fixes it, is Derek off the hook?
Derek's never off the hook. My wheel.
This is your wheel? Oh, so fixing it? Yeah. You know, I love Derek, so.
Every time I let him borrow anything, he breaks it.
You can't have nice things.
Can't have nice things. That's why these are reps.
You start with shitty wheels, you don't have to worry about breaking them because they're already shitty.
Very shitty, yeah.
Good wheels, then you kind of like this, you know, you break it apart a million times, it's cast aluminum, you just weld it back together.
I know, I'm stoked that you're able to fix it.
At least it wasn't a 3-piece Johnny.
I know, I had a pair of 3-piece wheels I was gonna let him borrow instead because one already had a bent lip,
Yeah, maybe not the move.
but maybe not the move still.
Yeah, definitely not. So I gotta clean all this out, weld all this back in, and then grind this, and then you'll be good
And
to
then
go.
what, you're gonna like hammer that straight again, or?
Yep.
Yeah.
But this is all bent in.
Yeah.
So I just took it broken off and grind that big
And like set it back in.
There was nothing here.
Oh, so you have to kind of fill that in
Yeah,
pretty
that's
good?
all filler. So I'm gonna grind it down, I'm gonna fill it on the other side too, smooth it down, and it'll look like,
Nice.
you know, almost like you just smashed into something
Yeah.
instead of breaking it.
Yeah. Nice, man. Well, I appreciate you. Thank you. All I wanted was to come home with Whataburger because we don't have that in California and it's here in Arizona, and we waited in line for 30 minutes for Whataburger, and as I'm driving home, what do we hear? What is that? What is that? Freaking exhaust falls off. That's Drift Week, baby. Let's fix this thing. I just want to go home and eat my damn Whataburger.
He's so tired.
All right, we're gonna close the video out here because what better time than now? First off, thank you to all the sponsors, again, who have helped us make this trip possible. You guys have been amazing. Thank you for everything that you do for us. Secondly, I want to thank you guys for watching the videos so far, all of the comments and likes and everything, and all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. Hope you guys enjoy all this content. We just finished up 2 days at Musselman Honda Circuit. It was incredible. That track is unreal, super fun. Hope we can come back one day. We're heading back to the Airbnb. Tomorrow we head back towards SoCal, and we'll be at Grange for the next 2 days. So we'll see you guys then.